My country pipu, una welcome back to my channel today. Bella don come out come advise women wey be say dey pursue men wey dem no know where their source of income dey come from, and in the process fans don drag her sister Sandra enter dis her unsolicited advice wey be say she give fans. And also Miracle for 2018 Big Brother Naija, the winner, im don finally graduate the pilot school. So since Miracle win Big Brother Naija for dat double wahala season, the guy we never hear from am. The boy just carry the money comot for social media. If you go to his social media handle, you go see say e no dey post for years now. The social media handle just dey dormant. So all of a sudden we come see omo guy don come out to come share the good news. Na so e dey be. Sometimes when good thing dey happen to you, try make you dey shut up your mouth. Make you make sure say the thing you don achieve am before you tell person. No be say person wan winch you or something, even though say voodoo dey exist, but sometimes person no need to open im mouth wish you bad, but for inside their mind dem don already wish am to say dis person, no, I hope this thing go spoil. You no know the kind prayer wey person dey pray for you for inside mind. So e dey good say if you get good news, shut up your mouth, wait first make the thing don manifest before you make the huge announcement. So the guy come out come tell us say see the thing don finally happen. He is now a certified pilot licensed by the US Aviation Authority. All the men wey be say win Big Brother Naija, they are doing something meaningful with their life, all of them. Our women, I no know, na so from one drama online to another, one drama online. See Miracle now, im don go school, im don learn something, im don come out. See Lekon don graduate for one London university, im don come out. Efe concentrate on im music, you no go ever see Efe for any controversial post. Na so life suppose be. But our women na everyday online people dey drag them. God go help them. Na big congratulations to Miracle. I wish him so many more success for im life, because the boy na one very sensible boy wey be say no ever give us wahala for internet. So unto KIddwaya matter, make I talk about KIddwaya party wey be say e do last night before I enter Bella matter. So yesterday KIddwaya im come out come call out some of im padi dem for Big Brother All Stars and other Big Brother season to come help am follow am celebrate that im new say im dey call midnight mocha. Say na French restaurant. Una dey see am for the screen. Una fave, different of una fave come. You dey see like Cross, Adekunle, Tolani Badge, Ozo, most of them. Miracle OP from Big Brother Titan, that one too come. Hermes, Ike, but Ike must come now. Perez sef even come, White Money. So there's so many of them from the All Star season. Boma, say Boma na person wey be say im dey always dey everywhere. Any party wey be say big children dey, im dey always wan put himself for there. So the guy dey chase fame like say tomorrow no dey. Even Sheik sef come. Una remember say some people dey even before dey compare Sheiks and KIddwaya that year, but the KIddwaya no even allow Sheiks and KIddwaya no even allow fans even come in between themselves. Two of them are from different rich families, and they come together to come suppress fans hating them individually, and come concentrate on wetin dey bring money for them. And na so e suppose be. If all these Big Brother Naija people fit forget about their fans hating on each other, I believe to all of them go be friends, they go help each other grow more. But no. Unto Bella matter, Bella come out to come advise women, and the thing no sit well for people, because they come out dey point fingers at her sister wey be baby mama for Flavour. So she come write say 99% of Nigerians don't care about how you make your money. They just want to hype you and tap into your wealth without caring about your source of income. It even feels like doing an illegal job is normalized in this day and age. You will be seen as important in the society if you are rich, and it's quite sad, because I don't want to bring up my kids in such an environment where they think it's okay to hurt people to get there, or it's okay to marry people that you cannot account for their source of income. Hustle so you can give your kids the best life, so your kids can marry for love and not for hunger. So in their own world, they would never be able to relate to certain lifestyle or associate with certain people. Most importantly, teach them contentment, so that it does so when it's not all rosy, they would never look the wrong way. This advice na very good advice, very good advice. From the starting of the talk to the ending. I not see one single thing wey bad for inside. But as we all know, when it comes to Big Brother Naija fans, they must always look for something to take drag person. Person dey advise you say, see, life no be this one na even rich person o. It's not as if Bella is even poor. Una no think say because her papa not there or wanting. She is not poor. You really wan go browse about the history of dis Okwabe people, you go see say these people they're not really poor at all. But that one a story for another day. As she make this statement finish, na so pipo come and say, madam, your sister na person wey be say dey pursue man, dey wan dey she be baby mama for man, she no even know where her wealth come from, all those type of things. She wan shook herself for flavor life because she dey broke, one thing. So man just read wetin dey talk. So the first person come say, don't mind her, her sister has 2 kids for a man who refused to marry her. An unapologetic baby mama. What was she looking for? Financial stability or love? You dey whine me, abi? You too, you are living with a man for more than 2 years now. Going out oshofri, giving out oshofri vibe. You to fish out advice. You wan say who are you to fish out advice? Have you checked yourself before writing unsolicited episode? Me, as you see me, so anything wey be say person do for Big Brother house, me I no dey judge the person based on wetin you do for Big Brother house. As a matter of fact sef, if you even come out of the house, na when you f up now I go take yab you. But if you person wey be say dey always do the right thing, you no go see me drag you. For this particular statement wey this person make now, I no see one single sense for inside. You dey talk now to say Bella dey stay with her man for 2 years. Na your man na she go stay with. One thing wey be say I don understand for this life, you see this life, don't ever judge anybody for something wey be say you never experience. No try am, because you no know wetin dey wait for you for front. What if for front you come see yourself in that kind situation? Na so e dey be o. Circumstances dey change person, dey make you do things wey you no believe say you go ever do for your life. So make everybody just dey calm down. And for the part wey be say dey talk say the guy refuse to marry her, shey dey talk say one rumour talk say Sandra, the guy don pay her bride price traditional, they don do traditional wedding. I no really dey sure, I go just wetin street dey talk, but I no know how true it is. But for me, I know talk say the Okwabwe they are not poor. Another person come say only sensible people will take her advice, fools will find a way to bash her. Exactly. Bella na one person wey be say no really give me headache since she come out of Big Brother house, and whether she stay with Shex or not too, it is none of my concern. This Bella advice, if you like, take it or leave it. They say a word is enough for the wise. If you want dey waka up and down, dey follow people, just dey pursue money like mumu when you no know where the money come from, your eye go clear one day. Una take care, una bye.